In the book Strange Secrets by authors Nick Redfern and Andy Roberts, a little-known facet of non-physical communication between living beings is revealed. This interesting work shows how the so-called extrasensory perception, which many people associate with extraordinary abilities that only certain individuals possess, is absolutely common among living beings. We are all capable of perceiving more than we think, and it is simply a matter of learning to decode the sensations we receive on a daily basis. Most people are permeable to changing moods or physical states, which very often do not have a basis limited to the body itself. According to these authors, we can perceive and reflect what happens in certain environments or what other people feel or experience. Depending on the degree of development of our sensitivity to our surroundings, we may be able to identify what is going on around us. We may even be able to detect signals thousands of miles away if we concentrate properly. Redfern and Roberts mention in their book the research carried out in the 1950s by the late Russian Dr. Pavel Naumov. According to their documented research, a female rabbit was separated from her offspring. The former was kept in a military station while the offspring were transferred hundreds of kilometers away to a submarine under the sea. At the time the offspring were sacrificed, the mother showed brain-altering reactions through electrodes placed on her brain. This experiment was apparently repeated with different species with similar results. For the Soviets, the phenomenon is related to vibrational communication phenomena that still needs further research. Radionic theory explains that these perceptive abilities are also inherent to human beings and that there is nothing strange or unusual about them. In fact, through the adhesive plate of a radionic circuit we may be able to detect information related to another person or persons. This information can help us to know different states, on a vibrational level, and act accordingly to work towards various positive goals, improvement of functional status, therapy and personal development, for example. This experimental aspect, and its interesting applications can be put into practice quickly and easily. Radionic experimentation can be very interesting for any curious and open-minded person.